Anong pangalan niyo?
Pangalan ko po is J-Lo, and
Hi, I'm Faris.
from Philippines po and from Malaysia.
Oh, how are you related?
Oh, we just friend po.
How long have you been friends?
1 year plus. We actually from like a rival for same competition. We compete
Oh,
together,
okay.
and then now we become a teammates.
Cool. So, what brings you to Pilipinas Got Talent?
Yes.
It's been a dream for me to join Got Talent competition. So this is a good opportunity for me to be here, and thank you for Jello to bring me.
How do you find the Philippines?
Philippines is fun. I love sinigang. I love chicken adobo.
Good.
I love everything here.
So, anong gagawin niyo sa amin tonight?
Sasayaw po kami, pero po yung sayaw po na to is hindi po yung usually po na sayaw na nakikita niyo po, which is breaking and based in choreography po. Sobrang excited po kami ipakita po sa inyo yung talent po namin.
Wow, excited din kami makita yan.